Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this file. It's actually a DXF file. It is a nice file. It's got all the state and there are no double lines. But somebody's already answered the question, use the Smart Fill tool, and I am going to use the Smart Fill tool. I've got my nudge distance set on 50 inches because that object is 46 inches. But when I go to my Smart Fill tool, I'm going to put no fill, and I'm going to specify a hairline in red. So when I fill in Washington and hit the right arrow key, it's going to put Washington over there. California, Texas, Florida, there's Alaska. And if you did all the states, because this drawing is made up of a bunch of little lines. Let's just take Texas apart right here. See, there's a bunch of lines that make up that coastline of Texas. And that would be a nightmare for the laser, because we'll do this. Let's take the tab tool. Let's delete the states we just created. And let's zoom in here. And if you look at if you click on the tab tool, that's either the first or the last item it's going to cut. And it's not even cutting out the whole state. There's the next. And watch it just jump around. There it is over in Hawaii. There it is getting part of Texas, going up the coast of Texas, many cuts, and it's just getting broken lines. And it would still work with the laser. And quite possibly you wanted all 50 states cut out of the same piece of wood. It would take a long time to cut, but that way you wouldn't have double lines. Because if you do it this way, you're going to have double lines, because now Texas is meeting those other states, and Washington is meeting Oregon, or vice versa. So it would cut that line, then it's going to go back and cut that line. Where if you did it with this jumping around, it's only going to cut that line one time. So if you're doing them out of one piece of wood, sure, it's going to take a long time to cut, but it's going to save you double cut lines, because it might even cut faster than this, because it's going to have to cut every individual state out. Now, if you are doing them in different species of wood, different colors of wood, this would be the way to do it. It is a pretty cool drawing. Anyway, I hope it helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.